What if YouTube fame wasn't just about clout, but about changing lives? Welcome to the world of YouTube's biggest philanthropist, where content doesn't just entertain, it heals. While some creators flex mansions, Mr. Beast builds homes for the homeless, feeds entire communities, and restores vision to thousands. You're watching Randomly Spectacular, where wild facts, unbelievable stories, and mind-blowing people come to life. The beginning of giving. Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast, started with over-the-top challenges. But something shifted. He donated $100,000 to homeless shelters. He also gave away a pizza shop. Then, it snowballed into something massive. Entire warehouses turned into food banks, schools being rebuilt, and more. This wasn't just content, this was a movement. Mr. Beast used YouTube's algorithm to fight hunger, poverty, and injustice. And the views, just a bonus. Team Trees and Team Seas. In 2019, he partnered with Mark Rober to launch #TeamTrees, planting 20 million trees. The world watched. Then came #TeamSeas, removing 30 million pounds of trash from the ocean. Science, activism, and memes collided. And guess what? It worked. YouTubers versus climate change. And the YouTubers are winning. Mr. Beast Philanthropy. In 2020, Mr. Beast launched Beast Philanthropy, a 100% nonprofit channel. Every cent earned goes back into the mission. From feeding over 2 million people to providing clean water to communities in Africa, this isn't just for the camera. Mr. Beast said, "I don't want to die with a lot of money. I want to give it all away." Changing the narrative. In a world where billionaires build rockets, Mr. Beast builds hope. Whether it's rebuilding homes destroyed by hurricanes, funding surgeries, or just giving a kid a toy. These acts ripple out. It's changing what it means to be an influencer. Who needs Lambos when you're building libraries? What this means for the future. What happens when millions of people watch kindness? They copy it. Mr. Beast has inspired creators worldwide to give, to care, to act. Philanthropy is going viral. And that's the kind of trend we need more of. If kindness were a challenge, Mr. Beast would already be at level 100. One YouTuber, billions of views. Millions of lives touched. That's the power of giving. And Mr. Beast is just getting started. If you were inspired, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks YouTube is all about drama. Keep going, Mr. Beast. Salute.